Before I start, this is my audience that's going to be watching me perform today. Hi everyone, my name is Marlene. My topic for this speech is the impact of AI on employment. So the purpose of this speech is I want to discuss the effects of artificial intelligence on our job market and provide some details about it and provide strategies on how we can adapt to these changes that are coming in our future. Artificial intelligence is affecting our workplaces with AI because AI increases efficiencies. They're robots, they're faster, smarter than us. It's placing certain jobs at risk. It it's creating a need for us to develop new skills, and it's making adaptation necessary for us that are looking for jobs. We need to learn how to adapt to keep our jobs or to find a job. So imagine a future where robots and algorithms are handling all the factory work and tasks. So where does that leave us? If the robots are in charge, where does that leave us? As college students, I know that we are all preparing for our futures. That's why we're here in school, because we're preparing for our careers. And we need to understand the impact of artificial intelligence and how it's crucial to what careers we will choose and to stay informed. It's crucial that we understand AI, its impact, and how it will affect us in the future. When we're picking our majors or stuff that we're going to do in the future, we need to be informed on all these things. I feel that as a computer science student with experience in AI and machine learning, I took an internship and I've learned a lot about this area. So I feel that I am knowledgeable enough to talk about this, and I really actually enjoy this topic. That's why I picked this topic. But the main points I want to bring up is the rise of AI in the workplace, the jobs. I also want to talk about the jobs that are impacted or affected by these new changes that we will see later in the future. And I want to end off by kind of finding a solution to this, making sure everybody is aware, and I want to inform everybody so we can be prepared and ready for this new AI infestation, if you will. Now that we know, or we kind of understand what the future will hold for this presentation or speech, let's talk about how it is transforming workplaces. So the rise of AI in workplaces. So some of us don't know what AI is, and that is artificial intelligence. It deals with machines capable of learning. They make decisions on their own. They're smart, and they perform tasks that we do, and a bit faster, a bit smarter. So some of the applications or examples of AI are like those AI powered chatbots that you see on like Amazon or Walmart, stuff like that, where you don't necessarily need to talk to a human anymore. I know Tesla also employs robots to build their cars, since a robot is designed to do things a certain way. It's not gonna do it on its own. So humans are more likely to make um, mistakes because we're human. Robots, on the other hand, they're very precise. So those are like examples of AI being used now. AI is very efficient. It's gonna keep growing because it's so efficient. Even on like stuff like Netflix, where you're searching through it and it's popping up stuff that you might like, that's based off of an algorithm that was made because of stuff that you like watching. So AI is everywhere, and we need to be informed. Some of these jobs that are at risk due to these new AI advancements, They can be like data entry jobs, just because AI is faster than us, like I've mentioned before, and it's much cheaper for a company to have AI just doing all their work for you instead of paying you your 8 hours to do stuff that AI can do in a few minutes. So those are some of the jobs that are at risk right now. Even jobs like graphic designers, which it's more in like the tech space, tech field, even they are at risk, because I have used Photoshop before in one of my classes, and there's this new feature where you just kind of outline a spot in the picture that you have, and you start typing up some words, whatever you want, like place a flower, and it'll generate a flower on your image on its own using AI. So it's everywhere. Not just like certain jobs, everyone. That's why we all need to be informed and knowledgeable about this type of thing, this type of stuff. While some of these jobs are at risk, there are some strategies that can help us thrive in this new era of AI. Well, some of the ways, or one of the ways that we can adapt to this new change is, adding to our skill set. We need to add technical skills, programming skills, all of that. I actually am taking a course on Harvard online, and they don't charge you to teach you. Right now, I'm learning HTML, which is like website making, and anything that you can learn it. Especially if it's free, why wouldn't you do it? So you can take certain classes or courses that will teach you more about AI. That will always be beneficial, even if you have another job that's not based off AI, but you have that knowledge about it. You can include it or incorporate it somehow into your career, and it will make you stand out from those other applicants or candidates for that job that you're applying to that may not have the same knowledge as you. So that's one way. We need to learn to adapt. Start now before it's too late, and we need to evolve like this. Our world is evolving, we need to evolve too. And I just want to close off by saying, I know that this seems like AI is scary, but we need to also realize that it opens up more opportunities and doors for us to learn stuff that we wouldn't have learned otherwise if this hadn't come in. And it's so cool that our world is going to continue to evolve in this way, and I hope that we can all grow and learn from this experience. And yeah, thank you guys.